How is the earth axis shift awakening connected to ascension? Kala Viswam Viswam and Viswam Viswam. To all enlightened ones here, our heartfelt thanks. The shift into 5D has affected us all mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. Our entire solar system has entered into a dense cloud of energy which increases the vibration of all the particles it comes into contact with. This sacred cosmic energy raises the level of consciousness of all living beings, including Mother Earth. We are witnessing our metamorphosis into beings of light as Mother Earth shifts into 5D reality. We will see an increase in love, peace, truth, and knowledge. All darkness and negative energy and negative beings will not survive this higher realm. Thus, you are seeing the collapse of the Illuminati deep state cabal around the planet. Good forces in every country are overthrowing the corrupt evils that had humanity in slavery for centuries. We are being guided by our family of hundreds of benevolent extraterrestrial groups. They are here to witness the greatest issue in the known universe, the mass ascension of an entire planet into 5D. Forgive, love, and live your life to the fullest joy each and every moment. Your state of consciousness will determine whether you shift to the new 5D earth or stay behind on world 3D earth. The choice is yours. The time has arrived. The greatest awakening. Old earth containing anger, hate, negativity, corruption, power control was existed till 21st December 2012. The 5D functioning from 22nd December 2012, it has got with fullest hope, with faith and love. Choose wisely. Do you remember the significance of December 21st, 2012? Can anyone tell? Try. Okay. December 21, 2012, the world is in a state of panic with the telephone signals on the ground that the power lines may not working and that the whole world is turning into a nightmare with news on the internet and in the papers. However, due to this news, many rich people in many countries sold their property and built a house underground to stay. However, few Western scientists know what this evolution would be like and what the earth would be like in the 3D up to 21st December 2012. All human beings are with the following: 1. Because of grief with duality. 2. They are limited beliefs. 3. Feeling they are out of something emotionally, hence sorrow and illness. 4. Limited personality. 5. Limited emotions. 6. Their limited power. 7. Their limited knowledge. 8. Being unconscious. However, in the wake of this, many videos on the internet during the months of October, November and December 2012 warned that no disaster will happen on December 21st, 2012, but if you stay calm and meditate, you will not lead to any catastrophe. But Western scientists say that since 22nd December 2012, the Earth has been tilting slightly to its orbit. That effect of this changed orbit on the Earth, 5D rotation of the Earth into newest and strongest energy effect ever, with the highest cosmic energy in the Earth 5D motion, with its effect to elevate the order greatly. Many grades have been made to live happily on earth like heaven. Those great souls said that the easiest process to get this bliss is just to be conscious. Let's learn the characteristics of 3D Earth before 21st December 2012. 1. Mainly being in duality. 2. Being living unconscious. 3. Living with ignorance. 4. Feeling run out of something emotionally, hence grief, sorrow and illness. The essence of Earth from 3D to 5D ascension is shown in the figure. 3D Earth consists of duality, matrix, ignorance, lack, suffering and war. The 5D Earth consists of the oneness, awakening, knowledge, abundance, love and peace. Characteristics of 5D Earth started from 22nd December 2012. 1. Being in unity. 2. Is to live consciously. 3. Knowing knowledge. 4. Abundant. It is said to that they have everything in this moment. 5. Stay with unlimited faith. 6. Have unlimited power. 7. The most powerful unconditional love is with universal peace. 8. The time distance are a supernatural and simplistic feature. The easiest process to get this bliss is just to be conscious. New energy is entering your life. Changes are happening for you. Things are getting better. Everything is aligning. Blessings are coming. Expanded consciousness graph is developed. It contains fear 100 units, courage 200 units, is grouped as contracted consciousness, and 85% of the population are living with these two emotions. Acceptance 350 units, love 500 units, enlightenment 700 units, divine grace 1000 units. These are grouped as the expanded consciousness, and it covers the 15% population on this globe. Map of consciousness. developed by Dr. David Hawkins. The map of consciousness is based on a logarithmic scale that spans 0 to 1000. Enlightenment 700 to 1000 frequency, and it is ineffable and having a life that is ease. Peace 600 units, bliss perfect, joy 540 units, serenity it is complete, love 500 units, reverence benign, reason 400 units, understanding it is meaningful, acceptance 350 units, forgiveness harmonious, willingness 310 units, optimism hopeful, neutrality 250 units, trust having satisfactory, courage 200 units, affirmation it is feasible, pride 175 units, scorn it is demanding, anger 150 units, hate antagonistic, desire 125 units, craving it is disappointing, fear 100 units, anxiety it is frightening, grief 75 units, regret tragic, apathy 50 units, despair hopeless, guilt 30 units, blame evil, shame 20 units, humiliation miserable. Corona disease is causing panic in everyone. A few lakhs of people are getting better and living happily and comfortably. Remember this, corona is no bigger disease than coughs and colds. When a prisoner was sentenced to death in United States, some scientists wanted to do some experiments on this prisoner. Instead of being hanged, the prisoner is threatened that a poisonous cobra will attack you and kill you. A large venomous snake was brought before him, and they closed the prisoner's eyes, blindfolded him, and tied him to a chair. He was not bitten by a snake, but was stabbed with two safety pins, and the prisoner died within 2 seconds. Post-mortem revealed that the prisoner had venom similar to snake venom in his body. Now, where did this poison came from, or what was the cause of the prisoner's death? That poison is a poison produced by his own body due to the stress of mental disorders, died of mental panic attacks. Your body produces energy depending on the positive or negative reactions of every decisions you make. The energy results depend on our body producing the hormones, positive energy or negative energy accordingly. Your body produces hormones accordingly. 90% of illness are caused by negative thoughts. Today man is shooting himself with his false thoughts and destroying himself. Patients aged 5 to 80 years were positive from corona to negative. Do not go over the statistics because more than half of the people are well and the deaths are not only due to the corona disease, they have other illness, so they died unbearably. Keep in mind that no one died at home by corona. Most of all patients died in hospitals. The reason is the atmosphere in the hospital and the fear in the mind. Always keep your thoughts positive and be happy. Corona is no bigger disease than coughs and cold. You want healthy, do not talk about ill health. Even ill health, you chant, I am healthy 20 times, you get health. Try and experience health. Health is wealth. Wealth without health, no need to tell. Duality is essentially the state of separation. It is the opposite of reality and it is the cause of all suffering. Duality, it is the product of the mind. In duality, we essentially split or divide life into right, wrong, good, bad, pretty, ugly, holy, sinful, love, hate, and so forth. As a result of our life become entered around the judgment, condemnation, and fear. Duality, reason for all your grief and sorrow. Reality, opposite to reality. Health, ill health. Happy, sorrow. Abundant, lacking. Wisdom, lack of wisdom. Holy, unholy. Conscious, unconscious. Peace, lack of peace. Patience, angry. Daring, fear. Comfort, grief. Love, disgusting. Love, violence. Love, hate. Love, lack of peace. Love, jealousy. Oneness, reality. Health, bliss, abundance, wisdom, holy, conscious, peace of mind, love. Thoughts generates by taking energy and comes into action. You look at a person by your perception. The person looks to you like with what perception you looked. By using your perception, you are losing energy, you get tired and attract illness. What you believe, it becomes your reality. Mind power has the ability to know clearly when there is an idea or thought in the mind. On what you are aware of, you can look with confidence. When there are two ideas or thoughts, one can clearly make a choice if one is aware of both. This ability depends on your energy or consciousness. If you are in a state of unconsciousness, which is not clearly observed in thought, it is not possible. If you are in a duality, it is the cause of all misery. One of them is fact and the other is opposite of reality. As you choose and speak any idea, you will experience its reality. If you sow guava, guava will come but not mango. Please notice the choice is yours. How is the earth axis shift awakening connected to ascension? According to Lone Wolf, spiritual awakening is also spiritual ascension. It is an evolutionary process that occurs naturally to individuals who choose this. Spiritual ascension or being upgraded refers to experiencing an inner expansion of the soul, heart, or mind. It is about transcending old limiting habits, beliefs, mindsets, and ways of being. But spiritual awakening is not a bed of roses, and as I am attest, it is full of shocks from revelations about our reality. As a result, you may experience the dark night of the soul according to Lone Wolf blog. This blog describes 5 types of spiritual ascensions or awakenings. 1. Awakening of the mind. 2. Awakening of a new personality. 3. Awakening of spiritual energy. 4. Awakening of the soul. 5. Total awakening called enlightenment. You can check here which one you experience, or perhaps you experience several or all. I understand awakening as the awakening to the truth without denying what is revealed to us, even if it is devastating. See the dark agenda of the cabal and all that is related to our enslavement and exploitation. On the other hand, it also includes the awareness to the mass awakening happening globally and which will lead to our liberation from this matrix or system of subjugation. Awakening and spirituality. According to AskAngels.com blog, awakening and spirituality are both a part of ascension. Integration is also a fundamental part of ascension to raise into higher vibrational frequencies. According to this blog, which beautifully explains this awakening process using a Mayan word to describe this process. It is awakening to the fact that we are not separate. You are another me, you are another myself. Lekech. Lekech is a Mayan word that literally means you are another myself. We are one. We are both source light viewing reality through our life experience. Tuning into this level of awareness is awakening. It does not mean that you are God. You are a spark of God. You are a divine human, and ascension is returning to this new template to your true divine nature. Moreover, according to AskAngels.com, as waves of spiritual energy and light continuously flow onto earth at this time from what the blog calls divine realms. Ascension is potentially possible to everyone on earth today, which is a very uplifting message to all of us who have unawakened loved ones. However, as it was previously mentioned, people need to choose to ascend. Everyone can potentially participate in the ascension on this earth, but it requires to wish it, self responsibility, and commitment to this path that you well know it is not an easy path to tread. You need to be constantly aware of old habits and patterns in order to transcend them and evolve. The old fear based reality is breaking down. To eliminate traces of fear, coronavirus attacks the entire universe. Open Hand blog The Ascension of Earth. Not only we humans are ascending, Earth Jia is also ascending to higher vibration which affects us as our vibrations rising higher on our evolution and ascension. These are both scary and very exciting times too. According to this time in history, anyone who has a wish to ascend is able to do so due to the very high vibrational frequencies flooding earth that also facilitates earth ascension. Therefore, you don't need to masters or join a particular community to start such an evolutionary process. The good news is that currently it is accessible to everyone who wishes this. This shift is happening by releasing all condensed and negative energy and raising her entire physical form and its surrounding subtle bodies, which she has just the same as the human beings according to the light party side. This applies to everything that identifies with earth and moving with her to a higher frequency, including humans and the flora and fauna. This is a huge opportunity for all of us to create heaven on earth. How do we shift? Jordan Sather, a filmmaker, renowned educator, and YouTube influencer, explains how the Schumann resonance or the earth heartbeat is influencing human consciousness. As the Schumann resonance rises, human consciousness rises with it. He describes the connection between the vibrations of earth, brain waves, and the associated states of consciousness. He provides information about the earth's Schumann resonance, which is the natural resonant frequency, and how it affects our own levels of consciousness and brain waves. In this video, he explains how we shift our consciousness or how ascension is happening in the clearest way that I have encountered. He clearly and succinctly explains what is the Schumann resonance, provides some background information about it, and demonstrates the effects on us all by listing on one side the Schumann resonance frequencies at certain periods of time and the respective brain waves and states of consciousness associated with these brain waves on another side. The interesting thing is that the base of Schumann resonance electromagnetic waves is 7.83 Hz, first measured in the 1950s, and he says that it stayed this way for decades. This frequency is essential for all biological life. Those who measured this frequency or waves noticed that this human resonance spiked on certain days for a couple of hours. Sather details these spikes in different years. In 2014, it spiked between 11 Hz to 14 Hz. On January 2017, it spiked to 36 Hz. On Easter 2017, it spiked to 90 Hz. That is seen as a big white spot on this chart in this video. According to Jordan Sather, these are energy spikes that saturate us with this energy. He discusses how the different brainwave ranges correlate with the Schumann resonance frequencies. Our brain is also entrained or affected by these waves. Delta brainwaves of 1 Hz to 4 Hz is associated with deep sleep. Theta 4 to 8 Hz is correlated with light sleep or deep meditation. Alpha 8 to 14 Hz, which is associated with a lighter meditation, relaxed, focused mode. Beta 14 to 40 Hz, gamma above 40 Hz. When you are awake, you want to be in the alpha range. Jordan Sather, beta and gamma are a higher alertness states of mind, higher information processing, high levels of insight. Jordan Sather. However, according to Sather, the higher levels of alertness can also be associated with a high level of anxiety. So you don't always want to be at such high levels of awareness. Can you see the correlation between the Schumann resonance and the brain waves in the figures mentioned above? This video is from April 2017, when the Schumann resonance reached its highest recorded point of 90 Hz, while the base frequency is 7.83 Hz. If you want to know what was the Schumann resonance recently, then according to disclosurenews.it, on April 5th, 2019 at 5 p.m. UTC, it reached a peak of 96 Hz frequency, and from there it started going down until it returned to 7.83 Hz normal levels within 6 hours. According to disclosurenews.it blog, in February and March, there has been a very strong activity on 17th. Letter Q. I assume that there are no coincidences, as 17 is equal to Q letter in the alphabet. Geocenter.info is a portal where you can track the Schumann resonance. If you want more proof to this correlation, you can read on lifescience.com that scientists actually found evidence that the brain is able to sense Earth's magnetic field, hinting that it affects the brain. What causes the rise in Schumann resonance? According to Earthplan blog, the Schumann resonance earth frequency is speeding up as a result of incoming solar waves. An increase in this frequency from 7.83 Hz 12 to 16.5 Hz on some days has been seen since 2012, as up to 60% of the human adult body is water, according to Science for a Changing World. The water in our body vibrates at higher frequency when we absorb these photonic light frequencies into the biofield, which alters our state on mind, and as earth is also vibrating at higher frequencies as a result of this solar light influx from the central sun, it pushes all life to these higher vibrations and gradually awakening from the enforced dream state, according to Earth Plan blog. As I have mentioned it before, this awakening process and shift in consciousness happens worldwide, and we are breaking free from a 3D matrix. Laurie MacDonald, clinical hypnotherapist and abduction researcher, provides an interesting view of how we ascend or experience ascension. That the first step in this ascension happens when our reality is challenged. It causes our consciousness to unfold and the mind is lifted to the being higher minded. The purpose of life is to evolve and tap into your potential. She says that the dark ages, when so much torturing was going on in chambers, as these times were literally dark since the earth was far from the sun in the cosmos and received very little solar radiation, while now earth is close to the sun and receives a lot of this solar radiation that affects us and our evolution or ascension. Therefore, the 3D slipping away and we move to the fourth dimension for a shorter time, and then we continue to the 5D on the path our ascension. I definitely resonate with this explanation as to what triggered my own awakening to this false reality that we are all part of it. The shock of becoming aware of the dark agenda of the cabal. This awakening was constantly expanding my awareness by finding out more and more traumatic, devastating information, which led me to the point of writing the book about the mass awakening to prepare the unawakened ones to this information, and also what is coming to earth possible in the near future. AskAngels.com also emphasizes that awareness is essential throughout the ascension process. You will notice your own beliefs and patterns that hold you back, open up to the new beliefs and information which will help you expand your consciousness. Without this new awareness, you remain in the same place, stagnating. We are surrounded by distractions to our minds, and we sometimes need to unplug, whether it's by putting down your smartphone, turning off the TV, and meditate. You will also ascend by seeking new information and perspectives on everything you were thought about. Discern and validate the new knowledge. I personally also found out that finding people who are like minded, open to new information, and discerning helps me to grow, expand my awareness, and move forward. It is like creating your own mastermind group. We validate our perspectives and knowledge together, testing it from many sources and angles. It is not a task for one person from my own experience, and it is okay to disagree with each other. Truth is the essence of the 5D that we are shifting to according to Awakening 5D Healing blog, and without it, we are unable to open the gates to this 5D. Ascension is about being true to yourself in every aspect of your being. Walk your truth. This is the ascension path, the path of increased awareness, higher consciousness, and illumination. How do you know what you are ascending? You may have heard about ascension symptoms from other people or in Facebook groups. You may experience such symptoms as you elevate to a higher degree of consciousness. Learning Mind blog. This is a list of the most common ascension symptoms mentioned in energetic synthesis site. Cranial pressure and headaches, extreme fatigue, heating up of the physical body, nausea, dizziness, forgetfulness, irritability, sleeplessness, joint pain, body aches, muscle cramps in legs and calves and shoulders, flu-like symptoms, kundalini experiences, diarrhea, feeling out of sorts, muscle pains, skin rashes, tingling in body parts, having specific awareness of a internal organ or body part unlike the past, diminution of spatial awareness, clumsiness, feverish feeling, kundalini rising, feelings of being there and not being here, loss of visual acuity, memory loss, changes with body and head hair, lack of ability to concentrate, muscle pains, skin rashes, tingling in body parts, having specific awareness of a internal organ or body part unlike the past, diminution of spatial awareness, clumsiness, feverish feeling, kundalini rising, feelings of being there and not being here, loss of visual acuity, memory loss, changes with body and head hair, lack of ability to concentrate. Every 3 hours, as our bodies are energetically worked on and recalibrated during the night. So it may not be surprising that you wake up tired in the morning. We experience these symptoms as well as others at all levels of the physical, mental, emotional or spiritual energetic layers as we absorb light photons throughout the ascension process, which is transmutational in nature. We are changing from inside out on a very deep levels. Is ascension connected to moving from a carbon based to crystalline DNA? This is one of the most intriguing aspects of the ascension process, shifting from carbon based to crystalline DNA. Does it really happen? According to Awakening 5D Healing, the answer is yes. Through this process of ascension, our DNA is actually rearranging to become aligned with the new earth energies. This process does produce physical happenings in the body. Jovi Van, certified quantum healing hypnosis technique practitioner, goes into more detail about this shift in our DNA and explains why there is a need for such a massive transformation of our bodies to the victory of the light, and let's make earth great again. The inoculation is self-love. Gratitude is the medicine for all wounded hearts. battered souls, fearful and frightened minds, and shaken bodies. The virus is fear, the vaccine is self-care, the cure is collective, tribal unity consciousness. Turn all that is negative into positive.